Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Telegram on your laptop. First go to Google search and search for Telegram. Now go to the first link. Now here you will see all of the Telegram version. Now if you are Windows user then click on that, and if you are Mac user then click on that. So as I am a Windows user, just go to this. Now let's click on get Telegram for Windows 64. Now it will downloading. Now you have to wait a couple of moments to download that. Just click on that. Now you can select your language and then click on OK. From here you can choose installation destination. Just click on browse, then select your destination. So I am keeping this as default. Now click on next and then click on next. After that click on install. Now it will installing and it's installed. Now let's click on finish. Now click on start messaging. Now you need to scan this QR code from your mobile Telegram. After that you will see all of your Telegram settings and message. Also you can log in from your phone number. Just click on that and then enter your phone number and then you will be login. So this is how you can install Telegram to your laptop. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.